Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, GHI just filed a Form 8K detailing an upcoming investor conference call, and I'm seeing signals about their focus for the second quarter. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company is gearing up to discuss their financial results, and it gives us a peek into what is on their mind. So this filing is a Form 8K, which is like a prompt announcement for important company events. The real news here is about an upcoming conference call that Greystone Housing Impact Investors LP, or GHI as they're known by their ticker symbol, will host. They are going to talk about their second quarter 2026 results. This call is scheduled for Tuesday, the 11th of August 2026 at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. The press release announcing this is included with this filing, and you can think of it as the company telling everyone, hey, mark your calendars, we'll be sharing our latest financial performance soon. Before we dive into what they're going to discuss, let's quickly look at what GHI does. They are listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol GHI. Their products are called Beneficial Unit Certificates representing assignments of limited partnership interests. Basically, they are involved in housing impact investments, and big players like Equitable Holdings and Morgan Stanley hold significant stakes, showing there is institutional interest in this area. The main point of this 8K is item 2.02, which covers the results of operations and financial condition. As mentioned, GHI announced they will have a conference call on the 11th of August to discuss their second quarter results for 2026. This tells us that the company feels they have something to report and want to engage with investors about it. Typically, these calls provide insights into the company's performance, any challenges they faced, and their outlook for the future. We don't have the actual results in this filing, only the announcement of when they will share them. This is a common practice for publicly traded companies to signal upcoming financial news and provide a platform for questions and answers. The press release itself, which is included as Exhibit 99.1, is the core of this announcement. It is the official communication that kicks off the process for their second quarter earnings. We can infer from the recent news headlines that the market is anticipating this call, with publications like StockTitan and MarketScreener.com highlighting the date and time. The timing of this 8K filed on the 23rd of July is consistent with companies announcing their earnings calls shortly after the quarter concludes. Looking at the broader context of GHI, their market cap is around $118 million. And their stock price has been trading in a range with a 52-week high of $11.45 and a low of $4.71. There have been some shifts in sentiment recently as indicated by the Yahoo Finance headline about how the story is shifting for Greystone Housing Impact Investors. There is also news about a CFO transition agreement from earlier in July, which might be a factor influencing their operational focus moving forward. Now, what does this all mean? This filing, while not containing the financial numbers themselves, is a signal. It tells us that GHI is preparing to communicate its financial performance, and investors will be listening closely for any updates on their housing impact investments. The fact that they are hosting this call suggests they are ready to discuss their progress and likely address any investor concerns. Given the recent stock price action and the CFO transition, the upcoming results will be particularly important for understanding the company's current health and future direction. We'll need to wait for the actual earnings call on the 11th of August to get the full picture, but this filing sets the stage. What I am actually looking for is how they are managing their investment portfolio and if they are meeting their impact goals alongside financial returns. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.